Welcome back to DriveFactor, everyone. Today, we're super excited to bring you an in-depth review of the 2027 Audi R8, the next-generation supercar that's taking the automotive world by storm with its stunning design and blistering performance. This car represents Audi's vision for the future of high-performance driving, and after spending some time with it, I can tell you it's something truly special. Whether you're a longtime fan of the R8 lineup or just discovering it, this review will cover everything from its eye-catching exterior to the luxurious interior, powerful performance specs, and of course, the all-important price tag. So buckle up and let's dive right in.
Starting with the exterior, the 2027 Audi R8 makes an unforgettable first impression, especially from that dramatic rear three-quarter angle. The entire body is finished in a deep, glossy jet black paint that looks like it absorbs light, paired with matte black carbon fiber accents for an ultra-aggressive stance. Those massive wheels steal the show with their intricate futuristic spoke design and glowing electric blue neon illumination that pulses from the rims and brake calipers, giving the whole car a cyberpunk edge. The rear light signature is pure Audi magic, a sharp horizontal four-element LED bar glowing vibrant blue, with red accents glowing through the diffuser vents below the centered four-ring logo. The low, wide hips, sculpted rear diffuser, and subtle blue underglow lighting along the sills create reflections that dance on the wet asphalt, especially on a twisting mountain road at dusk. Every line is functional, cutting drag while generating serious downforce, and the overall silhouette feels like a mix of classic R8 DNA with next-level hypercar aggression. Parked or moving, this black beauty commands attention like nothing else on the road.
Now, let's step inside to explore the interior, which is just as impressive as the outside. Opening the door reveals a driver-focused cockpit wrapped in premium black leather and Alcantara with electric blue stitching that perfectly matches the exterior theme. The seats are heavily bolstered for track days, yet comfortable for long cruises, and the flat-bottom steering wheel features haptic feedback controls right at your fingertips. Dominating everything is a massive curved OLED dashboard screen that spans nearly wall-to-wall, delivering customizable displays for performance data, navigation, and even augmented reality overlays projected onto the windshield. Ambient blue lighting bathes the cabin in a cool, futuristic glow, while the Bang & Olufsen audio system delivers theater-quality sound. Materials feel ultra-luxurious with soft-touch surfaces everywhere, and clever storage keeps the minimalist layout clean. Voice-activated AI handles everything from climate control to phone integration without missing a beat. It's a space where cutting-edge technology meets pure driver engagement, making every mile feel like a high-end video game. When it comes to performance, the 2027 Audi R8 absolutely delivers. This generation goes fully electric, with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup pumping out 850 horsepower and instant torque that pins you back in the seat. 0 to 60 happens in a blistering 2.2 seconds, while top speed exceeds 205 miles per hour. The solid-state battery pack gives a real-world range of around 320 miles, and 800-volt fast charging gets you 80% in under 20 minutes. Adaptive air suspension and torque vectoring make cornering razor-sharp, whether you're carving mountain passes or attacking a racetrack. Those blue glowing carbon ceramic brakes haul the car down from triple-digit speeds with total confidence, and an optional synthetic sound system lets you dial in classic V10-inspired notes if you miss the old engine roar. The ride stays composed in comfort mode, yet transforms into a track weapon in dynamic, all while staying surprisingly refined for daily driving. This is electric performance done right. Silent, explosive, and addictive.
As for the prices, the 2027 Audi R8 starts at approximately $235,000 for the base model. Load it up with the Performance Pack, carbon ceramic brakes, and exclusive paint options, and you're looking at $295,000 or more. That positions it right in the sweet spot against rivals like the Porsche Taycan Turbo S or Lamborghini Revuelto. Thanks for joining me on this detailed review of the 2027 Audi R8 here on DriveFactor. If this video got you excited about the future of supercars, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below telling me what you think about this black beauty, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome car reviews and comparisons coming soon. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss any uploads. Drive safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.